guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So I lost a bet with Renee, so I have to do a fall inspired recipe for you guys, which I'm calling Thrilling Thanksgiving Casserole, because after all, Thanksgiving is in fall, so I'm trying to get into the Thanksgiving spirit. And I have a brand new buddy here with me, Katrina. She's gonna be my assistant. All right, so Katrina, you see that bottle of gravy?
Mm-hmm.
If you could take half that bottle of gravy and just layer it on. I don't know about you, but I love gravy. You like gravy, Renee?
I like gravy. Yeah.
Would you say that's about half?
Almost.
Okay. All right, so. All right. Ooh, and you're layering it out evenly? Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And now, the next thing I need you to use is that first can of green beans.
Yeah.
My dad's gonna love this recipe. He loves green beans. I know you don't, Renee, so that's why I had
That's
lunch.
okay.
I had lunch before you came. So
Yep, me
now, next, we're gonna take 1 can of mushrooms.
too. Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna layer that, and we drained it, cause mushrooms undrained, just no.
We drained the green beans too.
Yeah, we did. Oh, and I don't remember if I said, but Birgit cooked the rice ahead of time. So, thank you very much, Birgit. Love you. All right. So now, we'll be right back because we're going to get our next ingredient ready. Okay, so we've got the first package of broccoli and cheese. And Katrina, if you would be so kind as to use all that broccoli and all that ooey gooey cheese and just spread it all around. And Renee, what's that sound in the background?
Yeah, you'll have to excuse that. That is the microwave working on our second pack of broccoli and cheese.
Yep. You can never have too much broccoli and cheese, that's what I say. Broccoli and cheese is one of my favorites. How's that look so far to you, Katrina?
Good. That's yummy.
All right, so now what we're gonna do is take that second can of green beans. Yep, you got it. Layer it. Now what we're gonna do is, you see some of that cheese, take that cheese, you're gonna take half of that cheese amount and put it on this layer, okay? And we'll be right back after we do that.
All right, so we've got a nice layer of cheese on there, and that looks good. That's gonna be all melty and ooey gooey. And what do we have next, Crystal?
Next, we have our next layer of broccoli and cheese. More cheese. I love broccoli and cheese. I really do. that looks even more ooey gooey and yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Katrina, if you would take that last half of the bottle of gravy. You can never have too much gravy, in my opinion. What do you think, Katrina?
Mm-hmm.
Love gravy. And there's no bacon in this recipe.
Yeah, that's one of our favorites, but not in everything.
No. Sometimes you gotta know when to draw the line with bacon, am I right? Now, you got it. More cheese. I didn't even have to say it. Katrina knew. I didn't even have to say a word. Katrina knew. All right, now we're going to put the lid on the casserole dish lid. And we are going to put that in the oven for 40 minutes, 20 with the lid on and 20 with the lid off.
And we have it preheated to 350, right?
Yep.
And we'll see when it's done.
Yep.
All right, it's out of the oven now. It's all melty and ooey gooey and looking yummy. And Crystal's got some here that she's gonna try. How is it, Crystal?
I don't mean to brag, but I think this might be my best recipe to date.
Really? It's really good, isn't it?
Oh yeah. All right. See you guys. I'm gonna continue eating. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.